Hi children, in this video I am going to discuss 10th class maths, especially important formulae in logarithms. So we are discussing logarithms. In previous video I explained exponential form and logarithmic form. By using that logarithmic form and exponential form, we are going to prove some more important formulae in logarithms. The first one is log of a into b equal to log a plus log b. What is that? Log a into b is equal to log a plus log b is the very important formula in logarithms. How it is log a into b equal to log a plus log b? Now I am going to prove this formula. Listen carefully. So for that, firstly proof. So in this proof, first you take a power a value is equal to p power x. So let p power x is equal to a. Let p power x is equal to a. And one more is p power y is equal to a or b. Sorry, b. P power y is equal to b. So I consider p power x is equal to a, p power y is equal to b. So now these are in exponential form. Convert them into logarithmic form. How we convert them into logarithmic form? So now the process is log a base p is equal to x. Log a base p is equal to x. Is it right? Is it right? Yes. Now again here express this one also into logarithmic form. It can be written as log b base p is equal to y. This is the second logarithmic form. Exponential form is converted into logarithmic form. Exponential form is converted into logarithmic form. Now children, let it equation 1 and it is equation number 2. Now multiply equation 1 and equation 2. Multiply these two equations. What we get? So actually children, a into b is equal to p power x into p power y. When we multiply equation 1 and 2, we get a into b equal to p power x into p power y. A into b is equal to, we write it p to the power of x plus y. When the bases are equal, power should be added. When the bases are equal, power should be added. Then we write it p power x plus y. Now you write this expression in other way. P power x plus y is equal to a into b. P power x plus y is equal to a into b. Now write it into logarithmic form. When we write into logarithmic form, log a into b. Log a into b base p is equal to x plus y. Log a into b base p is equal to x plus y. Now we write it log a into b base p is equal to, what is x actually? X means log a base p. X is equal to log a base p. So in that place I am writing log a base p plus y means log b base p. Log b base p. So finally we got all bases are equal. So that finally we write log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. That is the proof of the given formula. So prove that log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. I proved log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. This is the solution, children. So learn this proof and work out some problems I will give to you. Okay. So note down this proof in your classwork notebooks. Okay. Now let us do one more proof here. One more proof. What is that means? The second proof says that log a minus b. The second proof is log a minus b or log a divided by b. Sorry, log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Log a by b is equal to log a minus log b is the formula. Now I am going to prove this second one. For that also you take p power x is equal to a. When p power x is equal to a, logarithmic form is log a base p is equal to x. And second thing is p power y is equal to b. Right, logarithmic form log b base p is equal to y. This is the second one. And now children, you do a by b. What is a by b? P power x by p power y is equal to a by b. So now what we get? P power x by p power y. Actually this is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. You do 1 divided by 2. Then we get like this. P power x divided by p power y is equal to a by b. Now this implies p power x minus y is equal to a by b. P power x minus y is equal to a by b. Now children, here you take this exponential form, convert into logarithmic form. This implies log a by b base p is equal to x minus y. So now it is log a by b base p is equal to, what is x here? X is equal to log a base p. Log a base p minus log y means b base p. Log a by b is equal to finally log a by b is equal to finally log a minus log b is the proof of this second formula. Log a by b is equal to log a minus log b is the second proof. Now children, you try to prove. I will give some more proofs here. So first thing is log x into y. What is log x into y? Log x plus log y. Now you prove that. Log x by y. Log x minus log y. Prove these two statements by using these proofs. Is it possible? Can you prove them? Try to work out these two proofs now. So this is homework to you. Work out these two proofs at home. Now the class is over. We meet again in the next video. Okay children, thank you for listening.